Let's begin the broadcast with this breaking news coming in. Sam Pitroda says he feels at home in Pakistan. Sam Pitroda is once again advocating for a dialogue with the neighbors. He says, according to me, our foreign policy should first focus on neighborhood. Sam Pitroda asks, can we really substantially improve relationships with our neighbors? And then goes on to say that he's been to Pakistan, Nepal and Bangladesh and that he feels at home. So he backs for talks with terrorists. Lecturing India again and putting the onus on India once again for peace and harmony. Tejashree is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Another statement, a controversial one by Sam Pitroda. He says that our foreign policy must focus on the neighborhood. He is advocating for a dialogue with Terroristan.
Well, another shocker remark coming in from Sam Pitroda, who goes on to say that I feel like family when I go to Pakistan. They talk like me, they sing like me, they eat like me. What does he wants to say? A country that shelters terrorism, we call it as Atankistan, who has killed 26 innocent lives, who is known for terrorism. India has not even recovered with the wounds of the Pahalgam attack that Pakistan gave to us, the terror attack that Pakistan, in fact, held here in India. And in fact, Operation Sindoor still continues, and at a point of time, even when we have not even completed 1 year, at this point of time, such a statement coming in that I feel like Pakistan as a home for me. I feel like people of Pakistan are like me. What he means to say, is he drawing a parallel line between the terror state and himself, or in fact, again,
Tejashree, there's not. Yes. Tejashree, he's talking. He says there's a common gene pool in Pakistan and Bangladesh, in Nepal. He's perhaps talking about the common man, but it's a complex issue, and Sam Pitroda knows that very well. It's not the common man that is ruling the country, it's the ISI, and the government there is a puppet. Despite knowing those facts, Sam Pitroda seems to be advocating for dialogue with Pakistan. Stay on with us, Tejashree. We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Sam Pitroda feels at home in Pak, and BJP tears into Rahul, and the Congress party cites Rahul's mentor to attack. Says Cong's pro-Pak mindset has been exposed.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की एक ही पहचान, करो भारतीयों का अपमान और पाकिस्तान को बताओ अपना भाईजान। अंकल सैम पित्रोदा, जो कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ अधिकारी भी है और राहुल गांधी और गांधी परिवार के करीबी है, जो फॉरेन टूर ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, राहुल गांधी के वेकेशन के टूर ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि उनको पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश में अपने घर जैसा महसूस होता है। आई फेल्ट एट होम व्हेन आई वाज इन पाकिस्तान, ये बोलते हैं। ये वही सैम पित्रोदा है जो कहते हैं कि भारत के अलग अलग लोग, दक्षिण भारत के लोग अफ्रीकन होते हैं, ईस्ट भारत के लोग, नॉर्थ ईस्ट भारत के लोग जो होते हैं वो चाइनीज़ होते हैं, कोई अरेबिक होता है, कोई यूएस से होता है। इस प्रकार से भारत के लोगों के बीच में जो बंटवारा करते हैं उनको एट होम महसूस होता है पाकिस्तान, और इसीलिए उन्होंने किस प्रकार से पाकिस्तान को पुलवामा में भी क्लीन चिट दी, पाकिस्तान को 26/11 में भी क्लीन चिट दी, कहा कि पाकिस्तान पर कोई कड़ी कार्रवाई ना करो। और ये कांग्रेस की नीति है, केवल सैम पित्रोदा का बयान नहीं है। सैम पित्रोदा पर खैर वैसे कोई कार्रवाई करेंगे नहीं, परंतु कांग्रेस की नीति देखिए ना। यासीन मलिक जो एक आतंकवादी है, जो इंडियन एयरफोर्स के लोगों को और कश्मीरी हिंदुओं को मारता है, उसको दूत बनाकर हाफिज सईद से बातचीत के लिए भेजा था यूपीए मनमोहन सिंह की सरकार ने, और फिर धन्यवाद भी दिया था। आतंकियों से बातचीत कर रहे थे, उनको दूत बनाकर भेज रहे थे, उनको एम्बेसडर बनाकर भेज रहे थे और थैंक यू भी बोल रहे थे, और फिर पीएम कार्यालय में पीएम घर पे बुलाकर उनको सम्मानित कर रहे थे। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने 26/11 हो, पुलवामा हो, समझौता हो या पहलगाम हो, पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट दी और सेना के मनोबल पर चोट किया, चाहे वो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक हो या ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हो। तो
Meghna is also joining us on the broadcast from the newsroom. More reactions, I believe, coming in from the BJP, Meghna.
Absolutely, Swati. In fact, this is the latest post which is coming in from BJP's national spokesperson. You have Pradeep Bhandari says, after all, he has also posted the soundbite of Sam Pitroda. He goes on to say that Rahul Gandhi's blue-eyed boy and Congress overseas chief, Sam Pitroda, says that he felt at home in Pakistan. No wonder UPA took no tough action against Pakistan even after the 26/11 attacks which happened in India, saying Pakistan's favorite, Congress's chosen. Well, the words are clear, the message is clear to Congress as well.
Meghna, thank you very much for getting us the details. Let's in fact once again play out that reaction that has come in from Sam Pitroda, who says he feels at home and is advocating dialogue with Pakistan. That may be Sam Pitroda's priority, but that's not how a country works on his whims and fancies. Tetri continues to be with us on the broadcast. It's shocking, actually, the way he started his statement, and he says that, we should focus on our neighbors. These are small countries that need our help. And of course, there is the issue of terrorism and there are other issues, but we should not fight. So he wants India to overlook the fact that there's cross-border terrorism, overlook the fact that Pakistan harbors these terrorists, allows its soil to be used by the terrorists, but help them because they are our neighbors.
Well, absolutely. It feels like Sam Pitroda is indirectly saying in a way that India should have a blind eye on terrorism and the kind of attack that Pakistan has been carrying out, not just this year, but in the past year also we have seen. And this year, if we talk about, as we were talking, Swati, that the wounds have still not, healed. And then he makes such kind of statement that Pakistan feels like home. He also goes on to say and mentions about the neighboring countries and that we should help out. But do you see the kind of condition and the situation that the countries are facing, say it be Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and for that matter Pakistan as well. But all three countries, if we talk about the situation is quite sensitive and quite terrible as well. But he goes on to say, as far as Pakistan is concerned, it means that he wants that we should have a peace talks with Pakistan. But there is a serious need of Congress party who should come and clarify that this statement belongs to Sam Pitroda, or all in all, this is a statement of the Congress party. Will Sam Pitroda apologize? Because as always, we have seen that neither any action has been taken against Sam Pitroda by the Congress party, nor he apologizes, nor Congress party says that it is his personal statement, or in fact we will take action against him, because Congress party always says that when it comes to nationalism, we do talk about nationalism, but we will keep on questioning the government. But when it comes to questioning the government, they always cross the lines. And now when it comes to Sam Pitroda, he has gone beyond questioning the lines, beyond nationalism, and he wants that where government is saying that terror and talks will not go together, he talks about having peace in an indirect way, having peace talks with Pakistan. He
puts the onus on India time and again, as if nothing has happened, as if no terror attacks are taking place, as if Pakistan has cured the menace of terrorism on its soil. And it is very convenient for the Congress party as well, Tetri. We have seen that in the past. If the statement is too controversial that the Congress party feels is going to backfire, that at max, at best, distance themselves from that statement. Okay, all right, Tetri, before you answer that, before you take that question, let me go across to Tom Vodakkan of the BJP who's joining us on the broadcast. Tom Vodakkan, Sam Pitroda says he feels at home in Pakistan, and that may be his personal experience. But he says, these are small countries that are part of our neighborhood. And yes, of course, there's a problem of terrorism, but, we should not fight. He puts the onus on India for peace and harmony.
Well, if he feels at home there, he should migrate, leave his home in US and ask his followers and his connected people to also migrate, have a holiday there. Look, let's be very straight. Terrorism is something that is grown in Pakistan. And if he thinks that that's something that can be ignored, the lives that have been lost and the kind of misery that they have put on India, it is only Prime Minister Modi who has proved that they will get a proper answer. The operations that have been led by the Indian Army, Indian Navy and the Air Force under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, and that 45 minutes operation settles the matter. Well, if Sam Pitroda ji likes Pakistan, he's welcome to stay there and, try and bring some peace among the terrorists there. Communicate with them, tell them that Indians are human beings and not people who can be eliminated. If he does all that social service, we'll have some credit for him. But if he goes on praising Pakistan, it will be a heavy blow to the ecosystem of the Congress party. That's all that I need to say at this juncture.
All right. But Tom Vodakkan, I'd request you to please stay on with us. We have IP Singh of the Samajwadi Party joining us on the broadcast. IP Singh जी, आपका क्या कहना है सैम पित्रोदा के वक्तव्य पर, उनके स्टेटमेंट पर?
देखिए, सैम पित्रोदा की अपनी निजी विचार हो सकते हैं, बुजुर्ग हो गए हैं और जिस तरह के हालात हैं, जिस तरह से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हुआ, जिस तरह से पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादियों ने हमारी बहनों के मांग के सिंदूर उजाड़े हैं, तो ऐसे हालात में जब पाकिस्तान से रिश्ते बेहद खराब है, इस तरह के बयान देने से सैम पित्रोदा को बचना चाहिए। मीडिया में आकर उन्हें कुछ हासिल नहीं होने वाला है, इससे नुकसान ही होने वाला है। इसलिए मैं तो उन्हें यही एडवाइस करूंगा कि भारत की राजनीति से वो दूर है, और वो दूर रहे, अमेरिका में है, वो स्वस्थ रहे और अच्छी तरह रहे, और देश की राजनीति में इस तरह की अनर्गल।
लेकिन आईपी सिंह जी, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये एक तरीके से कांग्रेस पार्टी उनको बढ़ावा देती है इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स देने के लिए, या रोक टोक नहीं लगाती, क्योंकि उनके ओवरसीज प्रेसिडेंट तो वो है ही, तो ये कांग्रेस पार्टी की भी गलती है कि जब ऐसे स्टेटमेंट लिए जाए?
कोई भी देखिए, कोई भी पार्टी किसी भी एनआरआई को ये अधिकार नहीं दे सकती है कि बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन वो जाकर कोई बयान दे और कोई भी राजनीतिक दल उसको ओन करेगा। ये उनके निजी बयान हो सकते हैं। बेहद हालत स्थिति जो है भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच खराब है। हम भारत जो है पाकिस्तानी को चेहरा नहीं देखना चाहता, हम उनके नाम तक लेने से भी बचते हैं। ऐसी परिस्थितियों में अगर सैम पित्रोदा ये बताने की कोशिश करते हैं कि हम जब इस डोमेन में आते हैं तो हमें कोई फर्क नहीं है, कि बिल्कुल उनके निजी बयान है और उनके बयानों का मैं खंडन करता हूं।
ऑल राइट, आईपी सिंह जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। दैट वाज समाजवादी पार्टी representative IP Singh, who says he condemns the statement that have been made by Sam Pitroda. And thank you to Tom Vadakkan as well. Thank you to Tetri for getting us the inputs. Without a very quick break on the broadcast, we'll get you more updates and reactions on this big story on the other side as well.